Hi, welcome back. So today we have a review of a unique phone case that recently caught my attention. I'll start off by saying that this video is not sponsored in any way, so you'll just be getting my honest opinion. This phone case is made by a company called Keyway Designs, and they are based out of Canada, our neighbors to the north. And this is actually one of the things that caught my eye, is the fact that this case is made in North America. A lot of cases these days are made overseas, typically in China. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it is refreshing to see something that is made in North America. All right, so let's get right into the unboxing here. The packaging itself is pretty simple. I do like the keep it classy part, but you can see overall, nothing too fancy about it. The logo is right on the front. It's pretty nice. So as we unbox, let's see what we got in here. We have some stickers, Keyway stickers, and an information card, along with the case itself. And you can see the case, it's definitely nice. The wood grain is consistent, and the design etching is absolutely amazing. I got the Explore design because that's what I like to do, so I thought it would be fitting to get this design. You can actually feel the etching that's in the wood, and the design itself is well centered, which is good. And you can also see the meticulous design with the small circles. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's these small circles right above the pickaxe and the hatchet. It's very nice. The sides and the rest of the case feel like a durable rubber material with a little bit of flex. It feels like it can take a small drop and protect your phone, but I wouldn't trust this case protecting your phone from major drops or anything like that. The areas where you should have the volume up and down are covered, and so is the lock button, so that's nice. Okay, so let's put the phone in the case itself. This is an iPhone 11 Pro. And let's see how it fits. It slides in pretty good. There is no tension. We don't really need to muscle it in. It fits very well. Yeah, the fitment is great. And the areas that need to be open, like the camera and the charging port, the speaker and the mic, they're all exposed, including the lock button, and it's pretty easy to access. It's not difficult, so that's nice. The case itself has an outer brim, so you can actually put it face down, and you don't have to worry about the screen getting scratched or anything. That's nice. I like that. So let's look at some other details about the case that you might find of interest. I read up on what Keyway used for the wood on the case. It's actually real wood veneer, and they use the quarter cut type of veneer. It's good to know that this is actually real wood. I'm sure there are many of you out there that are also fellow woodworkers and appreciate the real stuff versus laminate. I also got some other information that Keyway provided in an email after I placed my order. What happens if the case gets wet? If it's just a small splash of water or it gets caught out in the rain, more than likely the wood on the case will be okay. You just have to make sure you dry the case properly. But if the case is exposed to water for an extended period of time, don't bet the farm that the case will be okay. It may cause damage because it is real wood. Take care of the case as you would take care of the phone itself, and you should be alright. As far as putting the phone in your pocket and taking it out, it's pretty easy and there's no obstruction or difficulty caused by the case. With wireless charging, I tested this with a standard desktop wireless charger and it worked fine. Charging was similar to any other case, and this case did not overheat during charging. I also tested this with my car's wireless charging pad. Most cars these days come with some form of wireless charging. In my car, I didn't see any issues and the phone charged just fine. Overall, I'm impressed with this phone case. I would definitely recommend this case to anyone who enjoys exploring the great outdoors. Check out Keyway's website if you're interested in getting a case like this. I'll put their link in the description below. They have a nice selection of different cases and for a wide range of phones. Their cases can be a bit costly, but it's well worth it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.